One real quick thing I forgot to mention about this box for, the Ultimate Marty McFly Tales from Space from Neca is that the Velcro is very strong, stronger than the box itself. So, I mean, mine came already ripped like that, but I'm just saying, I had seen some in stores, and the Velcro was very strong. And knowing that mine had ripped and that my Halloween one has ripped before, I held down on the Velcro, but it was very tough. It was tougher than previous ones. So just be careful about the Velcro, otherwise your box is gonna rip. So yeah, that's all I had to say there.